Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the awesome looking Silver Surfer. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2-speed, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this, and here's my sketch underneath, and this is a very cool looking Marvel character. So we're going to start out with the brow area first. We're going to draw right in the middle. Just one little peak like this first. And then on the side right here, we'll angle up and then just come back down. Alright, and then from here we're going to draw in the eyes. So right underneath the brow area, draw a curve, and let's draw on the other side first before we draw in the bottom. Okay, so there's two curves like this, and then on the bottom, same thing. So basically two almond shapes. Okay, and then whatever space you have here, just connect to the corner of the eyes. Alright, so now let's come down and draw in his nose. So right in the middle, just gonna draw a little angle like this. And then on the side, we'll just go up for the wings of the nose. Alright, so we'll keep this simple. So now let's come in and draw in the side of the face. So just come out to the side right here. I'll just draw in two lines like this first, right onto the nose area. Now I'm going to continue down, give it a slight curve for the jawline, and then just close it off. That's going to be the chin. And then now for his mouth, so it's just right underneath the nose. Okay, we'll give him a little bit of a mean look here. So just curve down, and then for the lower lip, draw a smaller line. And we'll add a little bit of detail right here, just on the corner of the mouth. Just add 2 little lines. And then we got to give them those high cheekbones. So right on the side right here, just gonna draw a line like this coming in. All right, since we're here, let's go ahead and finish up the ear. So right on the eye right here, just come out. Okay, from the corner of the eye, just go out and curve down. And then now for the top of the head, so we'll just continue this. Just go up straight and then we'll just round it out. Could be a little bit flatter on the top. All right, and he's basically all chrome, so if you're gonna add in just a little bit more detail right here, we can just add in 2 lines going up. So right from the corner, just go up. And we can add just 1 little curve like this too, just to make it look like chrome. All right, so now let's continue down, and for his neck, we'll just come down nice and wide. We'll just come in slightly, give him a neckline. And then now we're gonna join his shoulders from here. Slant down nice and wide. Now we're gonna come in and draw in his kind of shape of the torso first. And this side's gonna be holding his board, so it's gonna be a little bit different. Okay, so we're gonna come down right here. Just give a slight slant. This is gonna be the armpit. Pinch it in to the waist. And let's go ahead and finish this part here. This is gonna be the hip. Come down straight. Curve in. And then just close this off first. Okay, and then so his leg's gonna be down here. But let's come back up here. Let's add in some muscles to the body right here. So right in the middle of this, just come down. 1 little angle, and then just kind of go out. It's gonna be the collarbone. Right in the center right here, come down to the armpit area. And then on each side right here, we'll just draw a curve. This is gonna be a chest muscle. So just curve toward the armpit. And then now for the abdomen, just come down. Just draw 1 little curve like this first. Right in the center, come down. Draw another curve going this way. And we'll give him a 4-pack instead of a 6-pack. So we just draw another line right in the center. Okay, so let's continue on to this side. We're gonna draw in this arm first. Again, this side's gonna be holding the board. Okay, so here's the armpit. Start right here. Nice and wide. Back to the armpit. Now for the bicep. Bracket. Lower arm will flare out. This side will curve in like this, and this one's almost straight down. And then now for his fist, just come down with a little hook. Back of the fist. Right here, angle down, and then just connect to this. And right on the corner right here, add 1 little line for the other fingers. All right, and then we can add in right here, just add 1 little line coming in. All right, so now for the other side, before we draw this, we're gonna draw in his legs first. Okay, so let's come down. Start on this side. So it's just 1 big curve coming down for the outside of the thighs. Come back on the inside. Okay, so this is gonna be the knee. And then for the knee, just draw a little curve going in, so it's gonna be a little bit sharper on the bottom. And then now for the lower legs. So right here, we'll flare out. Slight curve. This one is straight down. We'll close that off. And let's continue with this side first. So right here, we'll flare out. Curve, straight down. Just use the other side for reference, and then we'll close this off. Okay, and then for the foot, come down on the side, and this side's gonna go out a little bit more, and then close it off. Okay, same thing here. So this one's gonna come in, come down a little bit quicker. This one's gonna go out a little bit more. All right, so that's gonna be the legs. And if you want to add in some detail right here, right in the center of this, we can add in one little line like this, and then just connect to the corners, just to add in some musculature. All right, so that's the body, and now let's join the awesome board. So for this one, it's gonna be right on its side. I'm just gonna draw in just one line, basically, almost connecting to the side of the body right there. So if you have a little gap right here, we'll just close it off. So I'm just gonna draw one line, go up a little bit more, maybe to the eye area. Now for the top right here, I'm just gonna curve it around. I'm gonna come down. So the shape's a little bit tricky. I'm gonna stop right around here. All right, so now we're gonna have to draw in his hands. So right in this spot right here, just draw like, we'll keep it simple. We'll just draw kind of like a little rounded rectangle. And then for the fingers, right in the center, one line, and then one on the bottom and one on top. Yeah, so we're keeping it real simple, right? Okay, so now let's continue on with the board. Same slant right here, just continue right behind the hands. Go all the way down. Hope you guys can see this. I keep having to move the paper around. Okay, so that's one side. I'm gonna continue with this. Just right behind the legs. So it's gonna be a little bit skinny on the bottom. And then from here, I'm just gonna round it out. Okay, and then lastly, for some details, right in the middle of the board, just go one line all the way through. And then once you have that, just one more line on each side. So there's gonna be a total of 3 lines. One more on this side. And that is it for this very cool looking Silver Surfer. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.